So, if you've watched my last video last week on why I switched from an Apple Watch Ultra to a Garmin Fenix 7X Pro Sapphire Solar back in November 2023 and how I much preferred it to the Apple Watch Ultra, you might be thinking, what is this fool doing unboxing an Apple Watch Ultra? Now bear with me for a sec. Since the last time I used an Apple Watch Ultra, there have been some significant updates, especially around training readiness through the Vitals app and syncing structured workouts. So I thought to myself, well, I should really try these out and make some videos about what I find in comparison to the Garmin. So I went out and picked up the new black Apple Watch Ultra 2. As you can see here, it comes in a grey coloured box this time rather than a white that the plain titanium finish comes in. The unboxing experience is very similar to the original. First thing is you'll get a booklet that I'll probably never get round to reading. It's in a dark grey colour this time rather than white. Let's have a quick flip through now, as I'll probably never look at it again. Some information on what the buttons are, do, and some of the other features. The watch box, and under it, now the strap. Let's start with the strap. So I originally chose the black trail loop, but on seeing it in the Apple Store, it wasn't all black like I expected. It had a bunch of orange flecks in it that weren't apparent on the web and when I placed the order, so I ended up exchanging it there and then for the green trail loop. And on seeing it now, boy am I glad I did. It comes with matching black hardware rather than the natural titanium colour, which is nice that it's colour matched. And yeah, really like the look of this. So now, moving on to the main event. Inside the white box, we've got a grey insert with a white charger. I really wish the cable was black to match the rest of the watch, but I guess you can't have everything. Now on to the watch itself. And taking this paper off is always fun. Trying not to drop the watch itself, and ooh, that is nice. Ooh, it's a nice matte black finish. Reminds me of a darker space grey aluminium that I had on the Apple Watch 4 I had a few years ago. Very nice. Obviously this is now in titanium and with the nicer design of the Ultra. You still get some orange action button and orange ring on the digital crown, but the finish is very nice. It's PVD powder vapor deposit DLC diamond like carbon coating. Don't ask me what that really means because I don't know, but it's supposed to make it very hard. Apple claims that it will be more scratch resistant than the original plain colour, making this the most rugged Apple Watch available. Now, this strap is proving very, very difficult to get on for some reason. It's very, very tight. Probably me just messing around behind the camera making it very, very difficult. But anyway, Apple claims that this is the most durable Apple Watch, and also makes it very, very scratch resistant, which would mean that it should be more rugged than the original Apple Watch. I'm not going to deliberately try and scratch this, as I've bought it with my own money, but we'll see over time how it holds up. But yeah, putting the band on was pretty hard. So am I replacing the Garmin? No, actually I'm going to be a weirdo that wears two smartwatches for a while alongside my Oura Ring, and I'm going to compare them and see what I'd find from daily wear perspective and when training. Going to try out syncing, structured runs, that might be from Training Peaks Runner, I haven't quite figured that out yet, and then I'll report back my findings. So if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It really helps me and the channel grow, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks.